Hi friends, it's Mike here, and welcome to Simply Bougie. I'd like to welcome everyone to my new channel and just let you know what you could expect to find wrapped in every single episode. So we all know life is hectic. We're constantly overloaded with the day-to-day business of living life in a fast-paced world. Self-care is a phrase we hear often, but most of us don't even know where to begin, and that is how Simply Bougie was born. Everyone deserves me time, where we don't have to worry about daily stresses, and that could be as simple as having your phone turned off and watching a movie, having a fun dinner party with just 2 or 3 of your closest friends, or even a silent walk in the park just enjoying the beauty of the outdoors. This channel will consist mostly of food and drink ideas, with a sprinkling of decorating and a pinch of fun activities to keep our inner child alive and well. I will do my best to show everybody fun ways to add an extra flair to everything you do, or as I like to say, GTL, which is gilding the lily, but in a less timely and expensive way. It's essential to give ourselves and the people in our lives that special treatment that reminds us all that we are fabulous, that we deserve moments of luxury, and most of all, that we all can be simply bougie. So please subscribe to my channel, click the like button, turn on the notifications so that you can be the first to know when new videos are uploaded. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.